Hi guys, Eastville Park again. A little bit overcast at the moment. It was sunny earlier, but that helps because it's a bit cooler. Going to give this a little try. It's been hanging up in my conservatory probably for years now. It seems like an awfully long time. The rubber bands that held the wing in place fell apart as soon as I touched them because I've been in the sun all the time. I've put a rubber band motor on there. That's hobby grade rubber. It's not the original, so I've no idea how it will perform using that. I'm on my own, so I can't use my winder to wind it up because I need somebody to hold it while I wind the motor up. So I have to wind it by hand, and we'll just see what happens. Give it a gentle throw. In fact, I'll just give it a gentle throw as it is and see what the balance is like. That looked okay. Possibly a little bit tail heavy. Just slide the wing forwards a tiny bit. Not sure. The idea of this one is you can adjust the angle of the tail by bending that bit of metal there. Right, that's only about 150 turns there. Whoa. Okay. I'll give it a tiny bit more down on that one, a tiny bit more up on that one. Right, about 150 again. Whoa, where are we going with that? A bit too much climb there. Now how are we going to glide? Well, that was quite impressive for just 150 turns. I think I've straightened it out a bit too much. Put a little bit more bend back into it. Right, I think this motor's probably a little bit too strong for it, which is why it climbed rather quickly there. Whoa, don't want that. No, obviously bent that tail around too much. It's done it. Broken it. And I don't think I've got my glue in there today. No, no glue in there today. Well guys, I don't think we're destined to see this rubber band plane fly today. Or not anymore anyway. I fixed the brake, brushed my hand against it, and it broke a second time. I think what it is, this has been stored in direct sunlight, and it's probably dried the wood out and made it even more fragile than it was before we started. So yeah, I'll have to glue it again, but time's running on, so I think we've run out of time. Right, we'll give this a little go, but I don't hold out much hope. That's 2 repairs I've done in that tail in the last couple of minutes. Oh no, that wasn't going to work, was it? So it looks to me like that. What's that, about 6mm square? Looks like that's gone very brittle, because I've just repaired it there, and I've just repaired it there, and it's just broken there. So pretty hopeless. So we're not going to see this one flying any better than it did the first couple of flights before it broke, which is a shame. Oh guys, this really has gone beyond a joke now. Broke it there first, flying it just now, then broke it there, just when I was walking back from the car after having repaired it. Tried to fly it again, and it snapped just there on landing, and then while I was gluing that back on and pushing it together, it broke just there, and it was already broken right back there on one of its early flights. So we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 joins in that little bit of, what's that, 6mm square balsa. I think what it is, I've left it stored in our conservatory in the sun, and that's basically dried it out, and it's completely brittle now. So at the very least we'd have to replace that tail spar, or whatever you want to call it. I mean, look at it, I've got the right curve on it now, so hopeless.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.